Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Unlock the power of analytics with this 2023 guide on connecting Google Tag Manager to WordPress. Learn the step-by-step how to implement tracking codes, manage tags, and enhance your website's performance and insights seamlessly. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So the first thing guys is basically head it up to your WordPress website as you can see right in front of you. Then the next thing is basically to add any kind of plugin or to integrate anything with WordPress. You should go to this dashboard and go to the left side menu or the side menu as you can see and click into plugins. And in this page, you will basically be able to find all the plugins that you might find on WordPress. Just one note, guys, that you will not be able to install any kind of plugin unless you do have a premium plan on WordPress. So you have to upgrade your plan to any kind of the basic plans that they have, and just like that, you'll be able to add, for example, a domain name, add plugins, and have basically a lot of stuff to add to your website. So now you just have to go with personal or premium, and you can get started. Now, after you get to this page where we have the plugins, what we could do is simply search for the plugin name in here. So in our case, we are going to search for the Google Tag Manager. So simply head up here, search for Google Tag Manager, and here it is. So you will find basically a bunch of options that you could go for. What I can simply tell you to get to choose the correct one is to make sure to choose the one with the highest ratings. So as you can see here, this one has the most ratings, and this what it does basically is the Google Tag Manager plugin adds a field of the existing general setting page for the ID and output the JavaScript to make it work. Here it inserts Google Tag Manager code into all pages, so you can choose whatever you want from these two. It is completely up to you. There's also third one, fourth one, like there's a bunch of options of plugins that you might see. Now, if you couldn't find the one for you, what I can suggest you to do is to simply copy the name. As you can see, Google Tag Manager, I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to open a new tab, write it, and right next to it WordPress. And as you can see, here it is GTM for WordPress. So Google Tag Manager for WordPress. And this one basically has more ratings than the others. It has latest update was 3 months ago. It has more than 700k installations. So yeah, it's a very decent one. You can go for it in case you want it. So this is a description first of all of the app itself. So Google Tag Manager is Google's free tool for everyone to manage and deploy analytics and marketing tags as well as other code snippets using an intuitive web UI. So to learn more about this tool, you can just go to their official website, which is this one, and you are required to have a PHP 7.4 to get to use this plugin. And basically this is the data that will be included. You'll have post last page titles, post last page dates, categories names, tag names, author ID name, ID, post types, post count, and there is a bunch of options that you can, as you can see here, notice. So in case, as you can see here, you managed to get this app through another website. For example, for me, I got it from outside the marketplace of the plugins. What I have to do is to simply download it just like that and wait for it to be downloaded. Click here, go to the tab, you will find this upload button, and then simply you just have to upload the button right here. As you can see, I can't really unless I have the business plan. So this is why I couldn't upload the plan on this specific WordPress website. So here guys, I came with a localhost WordPress domain. I'm going to show you here specifically how to add it very quickly and very easily. So the first thing, as I said, go into the plugins and then click on add new plugin. So we said that you could search or you can upload. So for us, we are going to upload it since we have downloaded the file already. So click here, choose the file, and just like that, you can install it. Now the plugin should be installed in seconds, and then you should go to the installed plugin section and you will find it right there. As you can see here, you can find it in this page. So just search for it. You can find it somewhere here. Here it is. So it's here, the first Google Tag Manager plugin for WordPress business goals in mind. So click here to activate it. And as you can see, the PHP version that I have is not really the version that is applicable for it. So what you should do basically is, as you can see here, you should update your PHP version. So here is an article on how you can upgrade your PHP version. You can either click on it right here or go to update from this page and try to update all the things that you have here, and one of them should be your WordPress version. So you can click here to update it automatically, and it should be automatically updated to the latest version. Once it is updated and everything has been successfully done, you will find the plugin as I said at the beginning here. So you should again activate it, and as you can see the version is 1.18. You can go simply to view details to know more about it and to know exactly how does it work for you. So the most important thing is to make it installed, which is here briefly and available for maintenance, since for now my account is being updated, since I have updated the PHP and the domain name or the WordPress in general, so it can accept the plugin in my website. And here it is, guys, a page that explains on the Tag Manager help with an article by Google themselves on how you can actually connect them together. So here are some things before you begin. So you can integrate WordPress with Google Ads or Google Analytics for free. To set up the integration, you'll need a valid Google sign-in, a Google provided JavaScript code snippets, and an active WordPress installation. Copy your Google code tag code snippets, and here it is. You can see it will be as an example like that. It will have here your ID, and it will be another ID like here, and that's it. And then you should basically just paste it between the body, the first body of your article, or not the first body but the first head of your website. Just like that, you just have to follow these instructions. So you can sign into your WordPress backend. On the menu on the left, click tools and select the theme file editor, as you can see. So theme header, as you can see, as I said, you will just go to the first header and paste the Google tag code in there and save it, and you should find the plugin working without any problems. And as a side information, guys, this Google Tag could be installed with any other platform. For example, there's BigCommerce, Blogger, Drupal, GoDaddy, HubSpot, Monster Insights, One.com, Shopify, Squarespace, Square Online, Shape3, Wix, Webflow, WooCommerce, and finally WordPress, which is our topic today. So you can connect this platform with many other platforms, and they will be basically the same way. As you can see here, you just have, sometimes you just have to install the plugin, and sometimes you will have to add the code inside of your HTML code or inside of your scripts. And yeah, guys, that was basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.